Good day, everyone. You're welcome to our weekly Forex forecast for this week ending June the 12th. We saw quite some wonderful moves in the market during this past week, and our analysis were quite spot on, and we are quite profitable with them. If this video has been beneficial to you, I would like you to also um, leave a like on the like button. If you're new here, please subscribe so you'll be notified when I bring out videos. And without further ado, I also want to let you know this is for educational purposes, and as such, you need good financial advice to put your money out there in the forex market to trade forex. And with that said, let's go to the business of the day. We're looking at the GBP USD chart. I'm looking at the daily time frame for um, looking at the daily time frame right now. What we have here, we've seen some bullish moves all the way up to this point at where prices got to at 1.2731. And what do we do when the markets open on Monday? We're expecting a retracement, a pullback into 1.25 area before we continue higher. I can go down to the 4-hour time frame to look at it clearly. We see that um, there's been a break and close above this high. This high runs across has been for the past some few weeks now. So we've broken above this high. So our next level of resistance is at 1.2765. And what we want to see is a retracement into the 1.2585 area and look for bullish opportunities of this place from this area up to 1.2765. The next I'm looking at is the pound Canadian dollar pair. And for this pair, we can see, looking at we've been in a range for some weeks now. Looking at the weekly time frame, we've been in a range. Market has been in a range, and for the past 3 weeks. And going to what we have on the 4-hour time frame, we can spot that market has been in this channel. Now it has gone up to test the upper part of the channel and is coming down back downwards. So I'm expecting prices to come down to test the 1.68 area. We could go as low as 1.6665 area. But once we get a break and close below the 1.68 area, we'll be going as low as the 1.6665 area. That might take 4 weeks. So what you do is just place a sell stop below it and continue lower. The next I'll be looking at is gold. For gold, we've had quite spot on analysis. And let me remove the fibs around here so that we see market more clearly. So for gold, we're expecting a retest of the 1696 area and prices coming down as low as the 166 area. Once we most likely will have a break and close below this. Most likely, it's a probability. And when we get that, we'll be looking for the prices coming down as low as the 1575 area. Basically, expecting the prices to retest the 1696 area before we continue lower. The first part of support is at 1666 area. Once we get a break and close below that, the market will be rushing full steam to the 1575 area. The next I'm looking at the USD Canadian dollar pair. And for this pair, I think we will say we'll be going bearish. For this pair, I want to see a retest of the 1.3520 area before we continue lower. Going lower, we're going as low as the 1.3265 area. That's for the dollar Canadian dollar pair. The next I'm looking at is the USD JPY, the dollar yen pair. And for this pair, our analysis has been spot on because I was looking at prices going up to test the 110 handle. We're not quite there yet. So when markets open on Monday, we expect a retracement pullback just maybe, let's say, a 50% pullback into the 108.80 area. We'll continue higher to the 110.20 area. Sorry. The next I'll be looking at is the Euro USD pair. For this pair, we've had quite a bullish run for about 2 weeks now or more. But what I have here, I just drew my pitchfork and it's giving us some nice trend lines across where prices have moved towards. We have something like a dark cloud cover on the daily time frame. But what do I expect market to do on Monday? We've had a break and close above the 1.13 handle. So I expect prices to go up to the test the 1.1435 area, the highs at that area, before we come down lower. On the 4-hour time frame, we have also something that looks like that. Already we've had a break and close above the 1.13 area, and we have something like a doji, that price is retesting broken resistance on support. So as such, I expect to see prices go up to test the as much as the 1.1435 area. So what you do on Monday is just to put a pending buy stop above the high on the last 4-hour candle on Friday. The high is at 1.1299. So you put the 20 pips buy stop, keep it 20 pips stop loss below the low, and head towards the 1.1435 area. With that said, that will be that for this week. We know we've been quite profitable, especially with most of the pairs we did for last week. I think maybe I'll leave a link in the video for last week for you to check and see how profitable our results have been. I also do look at price action on a daily close basis, and as such, you could join me if you care. But I will do this together. With that said, that will be that for this week. Bye for now, and see you in the next video. Bye.